Have you ever wondered, is there really a difference between saying flowers around the room and flowers about the room? Well, they might look the same at first glance, but these two words actually create two completely different pictures in our minds. Today, we're going to master the geometry of around and about. Let's start with around. The key thing to remember about around is the central point. When we use this word, we are describing a circle or objects that form a ring to enclose something. Take a look at this sentence. The crowd gathered around the stage. The image here is crystal clear. The stage is the center, and the people are forming a circle or a boundary all the way around it. Now, let's check out some movie scenes where around is used exactly like this.
He'll have you running circles around him, same as you was before. Ma! He'll have you running circles around him, same as you was before.
Ma! It's gonna be nothing but short skirts around the house. It's gonna be nothing but short skirts around the house.
The one with the small diamonds around the center stone. The one with the small diamonds around the center stone.
Now, let's look at about. When we use this for location, forget about circles or center points. The magic word for about is scattering. It means things are just there, in different parts of a space, without any specific pattern or order. Listen to this example. There were flowers about the room. This means the flowers aren't encircling anything. They are just scattered, here and there. Maybe some on the table, some on the shelf, and some in the corner. Let's see how this looks in the movies.
Allow me to have my men scattered about your ball, in costume, so we can hopefully catch this monster. Allow me to have my men scattered about your ball, in costume, so we can hopefully catch this monster.
But the white people would be there standing about the house. But the white people would be there standing about the house.
Lost about the fields and lost among the winds, my war. Lost about the fields and lost among the winds, my war.
So, here is your golden rule to never get them mixed up again. Number 1, use around when you want to describe enclosing or surrounding a center. And number 2, use about when you want to describe presence in different spots in a scattered way.